Hey everybody, Dylan here from Elevated Agriculture, and this is the first video in a new series that I'm going to call 3-Minute Thursday. My goal with this series is to provide you with a short informational video, whether it be about cannabis related content or specifically growing, really anything that can help you with your cannabis journey. With that being said, let's jump into today's video, which is what I wish I knew about the T-Series lineup of AC Infinity's fans before I bought them. In my opinion, AC Infinity definitely takes the title of the flagship intake and exhaust fans with their T-Series lineup. The fans are really well built, the customer service team is amazing, and let's be honest, the fans just look awesome when they're mounted on your wall or hanging in your tent. Now it's worth noting that the S-Series fans and the T-Series fans are actually the same, the only difference is the controller. The S-Series features a one-button controller that allows you to choose the fan speed, while the T-Series boasts an intelligent controller with temperature and humidity programming, fan speed control, timer, and alarm system functions. Now, this all sounds great, but unfortunately, this is actually where my problem lies with the T-Series controller. In my particular setup, I decided to start with an S6 fan, and then I upgraded to a T6 fan to add on after. You see, another benefit of having the T-Series controller is that you can plug an S6 fan into it and control it simultaneously. After installing the T6 and connecting the S6 to the intelligent controller, I noticed that it was showing the temperature bouncing between 32 and 107 degrees, and my humidity was stuck at 99% and would not change even after moving the temperature probe around inside the tent. Now, I tried a bunch of things over a couple days, and honestly, I thought I had a faulty temperature probe. But then I realized that my controller was working fine and showing the proper humidity and temperature as long as the probe was outside of the grow tent. Now, this had me super baffled, so I decided to just reach out to AC Infinity, and within about 10 minutes, I had my answer. Turns out that this is actually a fairly common issue for any growers that use HPS lights, and I'm a grower that uses HPS lights. Apparently, for some reason, the light emitted from an HPS light renders the temperature and humidity probe basically useless, which unfortunately means you can't use any of the temperature and humidity programming, timer, or alarm system controls, essentially making the intelligent controller useless and really only offering fan speed control like the S6. So there you have it. That's what I wish I knew before spending my money on the T-Series controllers that really don't do anything for me now, that an S6 controller wouldn't do. So if you're planning on picking up a T-Series fan and you're an HPS grower who's not planning on upgrading to LED anytime soon, you might want to consider just picking up the S-Series instead. Now that's it for me on this very first 3-Minute Thursday. I have no idea if I kept it within 3 minutes, but thank you for anybody who stuck all the way through to this point. Please, if you haven't subscribed already and you enjoyed the content, please go hit that subscribe button. It makes a huge difference. And if this video was helpful, or maybe it wasn't helpful, go down, smash one of those thumbs up or thumbs downs buttons, thumbs downs. I'm gonna leave that in just for you. Go smack that thumbs downs for stuttering, or the thumbs up because I kept this in and it made you laugh, right? You're laughing? All right, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Cheers.